Thanks for tuning in to see what's new with Appian. Appian 25.2 delivers major upgrades for putting AI and data to work in your processes. Let's take a look at what's new.
Introducing our new AI Document Center, a powerful new application that guides our users through creating extraction and classification models, leveraging our AI skills and supporting processes that can be used in any of your applications. We provide an easy-to-use guided experience where you're able to have a relatively less technical user create prompts for extraction and classification. The application is so intuitive it does not require any coding experience, which enables your business users and subject matter experts to be a part of the process. Once the first version of a model is created, the application provides a robust testing and versioning framework, allowing you to set test cases, refine, and perfect models through guided prompt engineering. With the assistance of a low-code developer, you can even add validation and post-processing expression rules, which can enable straight-through processing in your production applications. Throughout both the development and production experience, the application provides an accuracy and monitoring metrics framework. Let's see it in action. Let's create an extraction model. So as you can see, there's a wizard experience here that's guiding me through creating the model itself. We're going to extract from a claims document. We allow you to use our AI Copilot to describe what fields you'd like to extract from the document. But then once the AI does its magic, you're able to refine that and make any modifications as needed. As you can see here, I'm changing a couple of fields and adding an additional extraction prompt for specific fields being extracted. Here, you can see the prompt that will be generated and passed in, and then finally, the actual underlying objects that we created for this model. Once the model is created, let's see it in action. So I'm going to run an extraction with a test document. And after that document is processed, you can see the values that were extracted, and let's go and reconcile manually. Here we see that our initial version of the model was missing one of the fields for the policyholder name. So I'm able to manually correct that. But this points me to I can probably refine this model further. So we're seeing 90% accuracy on this first version. Let's go and create a new version of the model. In creating a new version, simply all we're going to do here is add an additional extraction prompt to the field that had some issues. So as you can see, the prompt is updated dynamically in line. We save and publish, and the underlying AI skill has been updated. Now, when we run our test cases, we're able to see, is it able to extract that and correctly get the policyholder name?
The first thing I'm excited to introduce is improvements we've made with documents. We've added support for using documents in your data fabric, improving how you can use unstructured data. You can now use record types to manage application documents, access document properties, and streamline your document workflows. To incorporate documents in your data fabric, it's as simple as generating a new document record type or adding a field for the document. Once you add in documents to your data fabric, the same benefits of record types now apply to documents as well. This means you can relate documents to other record types, query information about documents through records, and even have documents inherit security. We've also introduced a new document system record type, which includes properties like name, extension, or size. Now, you can easily query, filter, and aggregate this information along with the rest of your data in your data fabric. Documents in your data fabric work together with another new feature, our Smart Search capabilities. In this release, you can now search through text or document contents using AI to identify relevant results based on similarity of meaning. This means that you can find results even if they aren't exact matches. For example, on this page you can see a list of procurement requests for different projects. The search will show similar records, sorted with the most similar requests at the top. Since this is incorporated within our data fabric, we've simply added a new search operator to your existing query functions, which makes it seamless to incorporate this in your app, either in end-user interfaces to allow searching by users, or even in processes to automatically find relevant records or documents. Lastly, all of the enhancements you have already seen are also getting more powerful because we're continuing to increase the scale supported for synced record types. After architecture improvements we mentioned in the 25.1 release led us to support 10 million rows, we're able to rapidly continue the scale increases in 25.2 with support for 20 million rows per record type now. Overall, we're really excited about this release and hope you enjoy using these new data fabric features in your applications.